Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos about our products. And this is a countertop fryer using the electric. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like a 17 inches deep. And the height of the unit is about like a 11.5 inches tall. The length of the unit is about like a 11 inches. So from the manufacturers, they come in with some accessories and with the two baskets on the units and with the two holes. And also they're having a temperature adjuster on top of it and the two indicators to let you know the machine is running. And from the behind of the units, they come in with a commercial wire connections. So you need to prepare the plugs by yourself. And we can take a look closer to see this port dimensions. So when we're looking closer of the units, we can see they have a two basket removable. And also there is a covers on top of it. We can remove it too. They do have a container space at the machines. Now let me give the measurements. It's about like a 9.5 inches wide, 12 inches long, and 6 inches deep. Also, we can see the elements, the two elements going to the bottoms and to burning the oils, making the hot. This will be the all information about the products demonstrations. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.